Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can edit your username on Instagram account. So all you have to do is to open the Instagram application on your smartphone, or you can do the same process from any browser in PC or smartphone as well. So all you have to do is to open the Instagram and go to your profile option at the below right corner of the screen. Once you click on it, you will see an option of edit profile. It's just right there. You can see all you need to click on this option, and from here all your profile data has been visible in front of you. And on the second option you will see username option. It's just right there. So if you want to edit your username, you need to click on this option, and from here you can edit or rename your Instagram profile as per your convenience. If you don't like your new username, you can come back to your previous username in next 14 days so that nobody else could occupy it. It will reserved for you for the 14 days. If you are comfortable with your new username, you can continue using that. Once you type the username as per your convenience, just click on the tick option at the top right corner and your username has been updated. So that's a very quick and interesting tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials.